make sure that you have practiced all of those flashcards. You know which ones I'm talking about. All right, let's blend together some words with our open-ended vowels. Please stick out your arm, shake it awake, touch your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, slide it down. One more time, shoulder, elbow, wrist, slide it down. Here we go. You, mew. Interesting. You, hue. I, high. I, lie. O, low. O, row. E, re. Bee. Bay. Yay. Kindergarten, please make sure that you have a piece of paper. Please make sure you have a pencil and an eraser. I'm going to give you some words to write. So pause the video, go get your stuff, and then come back. If you already have your stuff, let's get started. Your first word today is re. We're practicing those open-ended vowels. Re. Here we go, kindergarten. Remember, you can always pause the video, write your word, then come back and check with me. I don't exactly want you to be writing the word when I write it because then I'm the only one doing all the work. You need to be practicing these words too. So always make sure that you pause, write the word, and then come back and check with me. Okay, here we go. E. That's an R. E. Re. All right, kindergarten, here's your next word that I want you to write. Po. Make sure that you pause the video. You go and sound out the word. Remember, you need to be writing these. You need to be sounding these out. Po. And then you can press unpause and come back and check with me. Po. O. P. O. Oh, there we go. Gotta fix that so it looks nice and neat. All right, kindergarten, the next word that I want you to write is hue. Make sure that you pause and write it, then come back and check with me. Hue. Ooh, that's an H. U. That's the letter U. Hue. All right, your next one, kindergarten, is may. Remember, we're doing open-ended vowels. May. Pause it and write it, and then come back. May. That's an M. A. And your last open-ended vowel today, kindergarten, is vi. Now, I know, kindergarten, you're probably looking up here and you're like, what are these words? Remember, it's okay to practice writing with nonsense or silly words. That way, when we go to write real words, then we already have those skills. We're like, I can do this. I know how to do this. Miss Stoller had me practice with silly words. Now I can write real words. Make sure that you write the word vi. Here we go. Ooh, that's the V sound. I. All right, kindergarten. Always double check and make sure that your words are written like mine. We have erasers so that we can erase our mistakes and fix them. Kindergarten, let's get our arms out and let's sound out these words today. Here we go. E, re. O, po. U, hue. A, may. I, vi. Kindergarten, good job so far. All right, now it's time for that sentence. So I need you to take your paper, either go down to the bottom or flip it over like a pancake. Find some free space on that paper, and we are going to write our sentence. If your paper's all filled up, that's fine. Just go get a new one. Remember, we want to make sure that we fill up a whole piece of paper before we start on a new one. I'll see you when you're ready. Your sentence today is, we got so hot in the sun. We got so hot in the sun. Oh, kindergarten, that sounds like a great summer day. I would love to go outside and spend some time in some sunshine. We got so hot in the sun. Let's see how many words are in that sentence. We got so hot in the sun. 7 words today. Let's say it one more time before you go and write. We got so hot in the sun. Kindergarten, make sure that you paused the video and you went and wrote the sentence before you hang out with me. All right, let's go ahead and let's check for a capital, a finger space, or lots of finger spaces, a period or a question mark at the end, and we have to read it to make sure it makes sense. So let's see if it starts with a capital letter first. Here we go. Looks good, kindergarten. Let's check for those finger spaces. I like it. Looks good. Remember, kindergarten, when you do your finger spaces, you don't want them to be itty bitty finger spaces because then your words are still going to look like they're squished together. And we definitely don't want giant finger spaces because then we're going to be using up way too much of that paper. And then it's going to be like, I have to read it like this. And then we have to look way down there before I get to the next word. Got, and then we have to look way down there. I don't want to do that. So we only do just medium-sized finger spaces. All right, let's check and see if there's a period or a question mark at the end. I put a period at the end. Let's read it and make sure it makes sense, especially with that period. Here we go. We got so hot in the sun. What do you think, kindergarten? I think it looks good too. You know what I haven't been doing for a long time? I haven't been giving myself a star. Would you please make sure that you give yourself a star, kindergarten? Ah, there we go. Oh, that makes me feel really good about myself to give myself a star. I like that. Please make sure that your illustration matches your words because like I always say, if I have a book all about giraffes, but all of the pictures are elephants, I'm going to be so confused it's not going to make any sense at all. Kindergarten, you're doing a great job today. Here is your 3rd warm fuzzy. Keep it up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.